Nearly 2,000 acres of arable farmland are consumed by development each day in the United States. That's over 700,000 acres of land each year that won't be used to meet the massive agricultural needs across the world. In addition to that, almost 2/3 of the United States is abnormally dry, or worse, projected to be in a drought this year, which reduces the efficacy of pesticides and herbicides and cripples farm output and feed quality. Our solution to these problems? The self-contained, fully automated, shippable hydroponic barley fodder system that can match the yearly feed output of a 50-acre field of hay. It sits on all of 360 square feet of ground and doesn't need a foundation, building, or complicated maintenance. It represents dozens of tractor hours, thousands of gallons of fuel consumption, endless watering cycles, and broadcast applications of pesticides, fertilizers, and herbicides, all packed into a box that uses nothing more than 200 gallons of recycled water, barley seed, and ultraviolet light to create 2,000 pounds of feed per day, every day, rain or shine, with zero loss to feed quality. The animals love it, the environment loves it, and you will love it.